Hello everyone. I hope you will support me in this situation to this video. This is a prank video. I will prank my sister-in-law. And I just make breakfast egg instead of warm water. She don't like tea, coffee, or something like that. Always hot water or warm water. Instead of warm water, I will add salt or sugar. I don't know what her reaction. Let's see. Sunny side up and hot to a warm water for my sister-in-law and coffee for me. What happened to the water? I didn't get the reaction. Just now she know that's salty. The first try she didn't do anything. She didn't feel anything. It's a little prank.